Hey everyone, welcome back at Samsa Ham, and this week we're going to show you how to DIY and cook some green onion and ginger lobster. So get ready. So right now I have some flour and I am just mixing it so we can batter our lobster. We're going to deep fry the lobster and then stir fry it. So this is how the Asian restaurants make it. So we just want to get a thicker consistency. What I'm trying to do is just mix it all up. And then we'll put the lobster inside of it. And on the side, I have, over there, we have our oil that's heating up right now. Just finish all our ingredients. So we cut up garlic, ginger, and also spring onions. So I want to add a little bit more to it. You just want a lighter but thick consistency, almost like pancake mix. Before you start to put your lobster inside and stir fry it. So I'll add a tablespoon of salt or a teaspoon of salt also to this, just to give it a little bit extra flavor. So, see that consistency? I'm going to start to add my lobster and put it inside the batter that I've pre-made, that I showed everybody. And then what you want to do is just drop it in. So you mix it, let there be a little bit of a light coating on it, and just drop them in. I just use a small pan for now. These have already been pre-cooked, so you don't need to cook it very long. We just want the golden So you see this one here is really good. So you just want a light golden flavor or consistency because you're going to still stir fry this. You want the powder, the flour to bake. So what I'm doing is just setting it on the side here for to drain out the oil. Okay, so now we're ready to display the lobster. So I've actually saved the heads of the lobster because it makes it look like there's a pretty display. So here's our stir fry lobster, and I sliced lettuce into small pieces. So what I want to do is just display it. So I'll put the lettuce on top of the plate like this. So we're gonna do 2 plates. And then also the other one here. I've seen this in restaurants, so it's just easy. It makes it look like it's on a bed of lettuce. So I'll do this one. We'll fold this up. Let me try to use my hands. All right. So we have our 2 beds of lettuce. And then what I want to do now is take these and kind of display it. So you have one. And then there's another one here with the tentacles. So I want to display that one. Put one in the back. And then put the other one in the back. So when you're serving it, this is what it looks like. Then we will take our stir-fried lobster with everything. So 4 lobsters, it's about 2 lobsters per plate. And then I'll just display it so that it looks really nice and people feel like eating it. But that's all. So you've got your bed of lettuce, your lobster, 2 heads for the display. You can keep that. And then I will also do the second one here. So how much do you think that they would charge you in the restaurant for this? I think they charge you a bit. So this here, with all this lobster, the 2 plates almost full, cost me $50. 50 and change. But you're making it at home, guys, and you're saving some money for DIY. And that's it. Thanks, everybody.